2003 version, 2003 version, it used to be the drop-down menu style. I'm sure drop-down menu is something which is very boring. We all know it. In fact, we have our GST website. In fact, we have our MCA website. In fact, menu with respect to MCA is much more boring. I don't know who is the person introduced or else designed this program in the MCA. I'm sure many of you know about it. Let me just open the MCA website. Menu keys go below your Excel, below your screen. It's very difficult. For example, if I want to access something below, it's very difficult. Okay, so I need to zoom control minus so that I can see everything into one screen. Okay, till 2003 version, even your Excel is having the same drop down menu. 2007 version onwards, it's a ribbon menu style. What is an advantage of ribbon menu? Ribbon menu style. After Excel introduced the ribbon menu, all other softwares turned now into the ribbon menu. I'm sure whoever attended the CAT tools, even the CAT idea tool also, the UI part is a ribbon menu. Ribbon menu means on the top, I'm sure you will be finding some menu. That means in the ribbon menu, you are having the tabs. Let me talk about the UI part. Many a times we try to give instruction to our staff. Can you use the consolidate feature? But they started searching in the ribbon menu. Where is the consolidate feature? How you need to pronounce this ribbon menu? You know, it starts with the ribbon menu. Then ribbons, you will be having the tabs. In the tab, you will be having the groups. In the groups, you have commands. Commands are again two types. One is toggle command. The other one is clickable command. Very important. All basics. Okay, so I'm going to arrange this. Let me go to home tab through the right indent. Now let me go towards double right indent. Let me go a little more towards double right. This is having two types. One is toggle, the other one is clickable. Right? If you want to instruct your staff, please go to data validation. So what is the navigation you should tell? Go to ribbon menu, then in that data tab. So data tab, in that data tools group. I'm sure you're finding data tools here. So get and transform data, queries and connections, data types, sort and order. These all we call it as a group. Group is nothing but the related commands. So in the data tools group, then you should tell them access this data validation. So data validation, this is the proper pronouncement, right? So how we have in our acts section, subsection, class, subclass, proviso, explanation. In the same way, we do have in Excel, there is a navigation. So this is the navigation. Maybe you are more interested to know what is the meaning of toggle command. Toggle command means same command for on and off, right? A switch is a toggle in our houses. Not every switch, because some switches you need to click on the top to off. Some switches, the same switch you need to click on the bottom to on. But some of the switches, especially for the motor connection, they put a switch. It is a clickable button. Once you click it, the same button you need to click again. So that on, off. So that's what a toggle. So toggle shortcut example are. So the example for the toggle shortcut is bold. If you see here, if I go here, so if you click this button on, the same button off. Let me even connect you to the VBA, though I'm not covering the Visual Basic. When it comes to a toggle, it is on, off. But in MS Excel, in programming, there is no wording called on and off. The only wording they have is true, false. So in the Visual Basic, if you look into any of the code with respect to bold, italic, underline, they always put it as a bold dot true. Bold is equal to true or bold is equal to false. Because the same thing you need to put on and off. So this is the way the UI got changed from 2007 version. Okay, I'm sure you got some indication. And one more important part. When it is styles group, you're not finding anything at the corner right side. But when it comes to the number, you got some key at the corner. Check it out. Are you finding a small icon at the corner? Once I click this, the more commands will come. That means what Excel is saying, Mr. Seven, there are so many commands with respect to the font, but whatever important I have given here. But if you want to customize more, then I can click this, then you can go into this. Then when I click this, you can go into this. That means when it comes to cells, no other customization